Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you this amazing travel backpack by Hanples. So this is an extra large travel backpack, and I have it in this beautiful pink color.
I am in love with this backpack. First of all, it is so spacious, but it's also built with security in mind. So you have these clips on the side, two on each side. And when they are clipped, you can't unzip your backpack. You also have a small zipper on the front, water bottle holder on the side that's nice and deep, another large zipper on the side. Have this waterproof pouch where you can put wet or damp items. It's perfect for that. When you open it up, it's just like a carry-on. So you can put all of your clothes in here and then use this little clothing strap to keep all of your clothing in tight. Now, don't judge me for my packing skills. That's why I need this bag, you guys. I can zip it up easily. And note that this is only half full because I haven't even expanded it. Let me show you, you get even extra space when you expand it. The cushioning of this backpack is unreal. You have so much of this memory foam type cushioning on the back, against your shoulders, against your lower back. And these handles that it has on the top and the side are also really squishy and very well sewn on. I've gotten so many compliments on this backpack. I think that you are gonna love this backpack as much as I do, and it's really gonna be useful for your next trip.
And that's my point of view.